Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Use in Apartments. I'm here at the Hanover Buffalo Bayou, and we're looking around at it, and I just wanted to just kind of walk around the area and show this off to you. So this is the area, it's the Buffalo Bayou area. It's just gorgeous. There is a huge park that's around here. So the park is here. This park is surrounded by the Hanover, of course. There's another Hanover building that's over there. It's a very, very nice high-rise, and we have that one on video. And then there's this beautiful park that's around here. People use this all the time. It's well developed. There is a restaurant that's over here, and then there's a store over here. It's a beautiful, beautiful area. So the Hanover Autry Park, that's that building. And then the Hanover Park View is actually that building. So it's kind of a Hanover complete area, if you would. This is the area. Isn't it beautiful? There's a lot to do here in quick walking distance. You can actually get to the River Oaks District Shopping Center very, very close by. A super quick Uber or Lyft ride that would be close. And it's close to the Bayou trails, the walking trails, the running trails. So there's really a lot to enjoy in this area. It's really, really super. So anyway, this is a little bit more about it. It's just opening, so I think you're going to really, really love how this develops. And this is it. Hey, if you have any questions at any time, or if you're ready to take a tour, you can contact me. That's my number below. Just say, hey, Grant, I'd love to see more of the Hanover Buffalo Bayou.